In Salesforce Sales Cloud, one of the most prominent features when we're looking at business development is the leads object. And what leads are in Salesforce is an area for unqualified individuals to reside before we move them into a formal sales cycle. So when we think of about a lead, we think about maybe someone who hasn't shown interest to buy or maybe an intent to buy at this moment. Maybe we have a little bit of a layered in level where they can show some intent, but it's not ready to be moved into an engagement where we want to forecast this in a opportunity pipeline. So in Salesforce, you can think of two main databases: your leads, and then your accounts, your contacts, and your opportunities. Leads should be the area where all of our website information or website fill ins go. Maybe if we're getting lists from different trade shows, if we're getting some content downloads, or maybe interaction off social. This should be the hub of all of this data where we're not really sure what the actual opportunity is at the moment, and we're using this to progress it into an opportunity. So, in order to progress a lead to an opportunity, we use what's called conversion in Salesforce. Now, every business has a different conversion metric. For example, if you're a software company, often a common conversion metric is when the client agrees to accept a demo, then the demo would be the point of conversion where you're then turning that into an opportunity, an account, and a contact, and it gets handed off to a separate team or an individual to close the deal. So when I click on this converted button and select converted status, you see that this menu pops up where I'm able to create an account, a contact, and an opportunity. Now, one of the cool things about Lightning here is I can choose to merge into existing accounts, contacts, and opportunities. So, a good best practice is to check for an account if it already exists in the system, check for a contact if it already exists in the system. And Salesforce is intelligent enough, just off standard matching rules, to try to find any accounts that are similar to this, and it will pop them in here for you as a suggestion. But it does not help, or it does not hurt to search just in case something is spelled a little bit differently. Now, there can be instances where you may want to convert an account and a contact, but not create an opportunity. That's totally fine. You can just click this button here, and it opts out from creating an opportunity. Now, if I'm just going to label this a little bit clearly and go ahead and click convert. And you see that from this lead, I've now created an account, a contact, and an opportunity.